Arthur P. Bronzo. I'm a veteran from the Second World War. I'm 91 years old. And I think I'm in good health.
Arthur Bronzo's bright blue eyes have seen it all. Born in Brooklyn, New York, he served as a paratrooper during World War II and spent his career working as an electrician. With a work ethic stronger than most, Arthur never slows down. In fact, he still spends 3 days a week volunteering for his church of 50 years. So when his granddaughter noticed his leg looked swollen and he was breathing heavier than usual, Arthur went to visit the heart specialists at Health First.
Well, when I was working at the thrift store, when I was pushing furniture, we go to unload a house, and I found by the time I got to the truck, I was winded. I was breathing heavy. I was saying, boy, this ain't me. Well, I went to see the heart doctor, and he sent me to take a treadmill test and an echogram. And the echogram showed up that my aorta valve was supposed to open the size of a quarter and was only opening the size of a dime.
Arthur was sent to Dr. Matthew Campbell and Dr. Cesar Hara to talk about fixing his heart with a transcatheter aortic valve replacement, or TAVR surgery. This minimally invasive procedure was ideal for Arthur's situation.
TAVR is a tool that we use in the treatment of complex patients with aortic valve stenosis, meaning their aortic valve no longer is opening enough to leave the blood out of the heart. If not treated, these patients will go on to heart failure and succumb to the disease. So it is critical that we have all the options available for treatment.
And Mr. Bronzo is an example of how we evaluate these patients and the success and on the outcomes by working as a team. The Valve Clinic team is a concept that makes the different specialties work together. The cardiologist that is referring the patient, the cardiothoracic surgeon, and the interventional cardiologist, as well as we have nurses, administration, and radiology, anesthesia, is everybody that has to participate in order to have the best results to treat the patient's valvular disease.
With the addition of new services, including a hybrid operating room at Health First's Holmes Regional Medical Center, the Health First Valve Clinic is the only comprehensive clinic in the area to offer a full range of surgical options for valve replacement.
I want to thank the doctors for taking care of me because they kept me alive and kept me with my family. My family's everything, number one, before everything. And there's nothing before it. Yes, these are my two beautiful daughters.
After only a 2-day hospital stay, Arthur was sent home to his family. Today, he is feeling great and back to doing what he does best: volunteering, making a difference in his community, and spending quality time with his family, and remains forever grateful for the care he received at Health First.